What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing some much needed maintenance on my girlfriend's BMW 2 Series. It's a 220i F22 of 2015. We'll be changing the oil, spark plugs, brake fluid and refilling the AC to get it ready for the next few months. Now I work at BMW as a technician, but trust me, everything I'm doing here you can also do right at home on the driveway. Let's get started. Now when doing this to your own BMW M20, be careful of not spilling the oil. As you can see, I'm very careful with removing the filter. Now let's get the car up in the air and remove the oil. Even though I work at BMW, this is all stuff you can do yourself with some patience, a few basic tools and a bit of motivation. Don't be afraid to wrench on your own car. It's the best way to learn and save money while keeping your BMW running like new. So here I am, cleaning the oil filter cap. Be careful when the oil filter is still stuck to the cap. Don't use too much pressure because you will break it and you're gonna have a bad time. Now be sure to always lube up the O-rings so the filter doesn't get stuck. I'm using genuine BMW oil and filters and also the spark plugs. Little perks of working at the dealer, but you can use any quality oil that meets BMW specs.
It sound right, boy.
Now be careful of not dropping in the spark plugs into the holes. Put it in the spark plug cap first and then tighten it by hand, and then after torque it down. Because if you drop them in, you can damage the electrodes and then your spark plug will not last as long.
It sound right, boy.
Now here you see me putting everything back together. It looks like a lot, but honestly it's a lot of fun for changing the spark plugs. Now let's get started with the brake fluid. Always start at the right back and end at the left front. Now here you see me connect the AC fill machine to the car. So that's it, fresh oil, new spark plugs, clean brake fluid, and a cold AC. Basic maintenance done right. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe for more BMW content, and stay tuned.